How to play YouTube in background while using other apps. So it's quite easy to play YouTube in background without using any third-party app. The only way you can or you need to do is you need to open YouTube in any browser of your choice. For now, I'm opening Chrome browser and open YouTube. Make sure that you have logged in on your YouTube account and then you need to select any video that you wish to play on your background while using other apps. Let's select any of the video here. I already have selected the video and opened. So you need to tap on bottom center of the screen and exit this YouTube site. Once you have done that, let's open any applications. Once you open the app, you need to simply swipe your notification panel or the shortcut panel. And as you can see at the top right corner, the video has been paused. Simply let's tap on this pause button and play it. But before that, make sure you have toggled off the open supported link on YouTube. If you haven't yet done, you have to go to settings. Then you need to select apps. Tap on app management and search YouTube. Open YouTube app and then you need to select open by default and you need to toggle off open supported link. Once you have done that, you need to try playing this video. As you can see, it has been played. So let's open Instagram again. YouTube has already been played in background. So that is how we play YouTube in background while using other apps without any third party through this way. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.